Welcome back to Appetite for the Outdoors. I'm Chef Chad McIntyre, and today we've got a little sweet treat for everybody, something very easy, and I gotta give credit to my wife. It's a blueberry bubble cake recipe. It's only a few ingredients. What we're gonna use is just some canned biscuits with some softened cream cheese, powdered sugar, granulated sugar, some fresh local blueberries, and a little bit of whole milk. All right, so you're gonna cut these up into about 1 inch by 1 inch size. So then we're going to take our prepped cut up biscuits here and we're going to add in about a cup of just granulated sugar on top. Once these are good and coated, we're going to kind of set them off to the side and we're going to work on the glaze with the cream cheese and the milk. So we've got 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese, really easy. And we're going to put into this a cup of just plain old powdered sugar. So into the mixer, we're going to go ahead and put in our 1 cup of whole milk. So now that we got the milk and the cream cheese incorporated right here, we're going to go ahead and get ready to put this into our biscuits. And then we're going to go ahead and put in 1 pint of fresh blueberries. And the trick is to fold it in, you don't want to over stir it too much. We're going to use today a Carolina fluted cake pan. I'm going to evenly pour the mix around, and we're going to put it into our preheated oven. It's about 350 degrees. All right, we're going to go ahead and check our blueberry bubble that we've had in the oven for about an hour now. So we're going to go ahead and put a platter on here. We're going to get this guy ready to go. So another simple, easy dish. We hope you guys enjoy it, and enjoy yourself out in the field and be safe.